This is the Chesterfield building, Liggett & Myers tobacco warehouse that they made cigarettes here 30, 50 years ago. Duke University leases a good amount of the space here, including the Duke Quantum Center. So the process of setting up an academic lab in a building like this is interesting, to say the least. We are on the lowest floor here. There's a garage beneath us, but there's a major train line, within a few hundred feet of some of our quantum computers. It all starts on the ground floor, where all the experiments are sitting on very high-performing tables called optical tables that allow us to isolate ourselves from seismic noise and any vibration, including those trains. All of our quantum computers sit on optical tables. In our case, we chose the Newport RS4000, and I hate to say it, but we just don't think about them. That means they're great. Train goes by, we hear it, but it doesn't matter at all. We can even feel it under our feet. But the tables have worked great, and we have not seen any indication that there's a bottleneck in vibration isolation from the vibrations under the tables. So the tables have been wonderful.